Outlook on the web experience is rolling out now to targeted release tenants and users, and you can switch it on using the Try the New Outlook toggle in Outlook on the web. And if you are in targeted release and you haven't got that toggle yet, don't worry. You're not alone. I don't have it either. And that's why I'm using a low quality picture-in-picture screen capture from Microsoft Ignite. So first of all, the new interface has been completely rewritten on a modern platform. It's faster, it's simpler, and it's got a bunch of cool new features. In terms of speed, the list view renders 4.5 times quicker, the reading pane is almost 8 times faster, and the new interface uses almost 6 times less memory than before. It has a new favorites feature, which allows you to favorite people, folders, and categories and have them on hand on Outlook on all devices. Categories have also been improved, allowing you to label emails with a category and easily bring them up by clicking on that category. There's also a new files view, which will allow you to view and filter through attachments that you've sent or received. Calendar updates include the ability to add optional attendees so that people can determine whether they really need to come along to the meeting. And the events themselves are also easy to create from the grid view, and they include the ability to add icons to the meeting so that you can better view and organize your time. There's a new scheduling grid on new meetings, which lets you plan a catch-up for a small group at a glance. And you can also use a scheduling assistant for those larger meetings. That's the same one that's included in Outlook Desktop. And when you set up a meeting, Outlook on the web will also include files and emails that it thinks are related to the meeting. The new Outlook on the web experience is rolling out now to targeted release customers, and it's going to be available for opt-in for all tenants in Q1 and Q2 of 2019, with a worldwide rollout taking place in Q2 and Q3 of 2019.